My name is Nuraina and I'm going to introduce you to the venomous majesty the king, Ophiophagus hana. The purpose of this documentary is to increase awareness and appreciation of biodiversity, to correct misconception about venomous snakes, to emphasize the king cobra's role in ecosystem balance, to promote human-wildlife coexistence, and to support conservation of biodiversity protection. The main objective of this documentary is to educate on the biology and behavior of the king cobra, to highlight its ecological role in maintaining ecosystem health, to raise awareness of threats, which is habitat loss, conflict, and illegal trade, to promote conservation efforts and research initiatives, to inspire respect and protection of biodiversity.
Hi, my name is Christina and today I will be talking about organism background, specifically basic taxonomy classification in king cobra. Their kingdom is Animalia, while their phylum is Chordata, their class is Reptilia, their order is Quamata, their family is Elapidae, and their genus is Ophiophagus, while their species name is Ophiophagus hana. Next, I will talk about king cobra physical characteristic. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world. It is usually about 3 to 4 meters long, but some individuals can grow over 5 meters. It has a long, slender yet muscular body covered with smooth scales. When threatened, the king cobra expands its hood, which is narrower compared to other cobra species. It has round pupils and good eyesight, which helps it detect movement and prey easily. Although its fangs are relatively short, they are very effective at injecting powerful neurotoxic venom. Now, I'll be talking about key features and their adaptation. The king cobra has a long, agile body covered with smooth scales, allowing it to move easily through forest and dense vegetation. It possesses potent neurotoxic venom that quickly immobilizes its prey. Although its fangs are relatively short, they are highly effective in delivering venom. The king cobra has a good eyesight, which helps it detect movement from a distance. When threatened, it expands its hood as a warning and intimidation display. Uniquely among snakes, the king cobra shows parental care by building nests and guarding its egg.
Next, habitat and distribution. Habitat: primary tropical and subtropical forest. King cobras mainly inhabit dense tropical and subtropical forests. These forests provide thick vegetation for shelter, nesting sites, and a stable supply of prey, especially other snakes. Bamboo thickets and mangrove swamps. They are also found in bamboo thickets and mangrove swamps. These habitats offer good hiding places and a humid environment that supports their survival. Area near water sources. King cobras are often found near rivers, streams, and wetlands. Water sources attract prey and help regulate body temperature in hot climates. And last, agricultural land adjacent to woodland. Although primarily forest dwelling, king cobra may enter agricultural area located near forest. These areas are usually used for hunting but remain close to natural woodland cover.
Geographic distribution. First, area with the highest population. The country is India, Thailand, Malaysia and Indonesia. The reason is these countries has extensive tropical rainforest, high humidity and rich biodiversity. The availability of prey, especially other snakes, and suitable nesting sites make this area the core habitat of the king cobra. Next, area with moderate population. Countries: Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Bangladesh and southern China. The reason is this region provides suitable forests and riverine habitats, but the population is more scattered due to habitat fragmentation and increasing human activities. And lastly, area with limited population. The country is Philippines because king cobra are restricted to specific island with suitable forest habitat. Limited land area and isolated environment result in smaller and localized population. Next, ecological role in the ecosystem. First, act as a top predator. King cobras sit at the top of the food chain and mainly prey on other snakes. Next, control snake population. By feeding on various snake species, they help prevent overpopulation, including venomous snakes. Next, maintain ecological balance. Their presence helps stabilize food chains and support healthy forest ecosystem. And lastly, indicator of a healthy ecosystem. King cobra are usually found in undisturbed habitats, so their presence indicates good environmental quality.
There are 4 important points in king cobra's hunting behavior. For the first one is specialized diet, which is Ophiophagus. King cobras primarily hunt other snakes, including red snakes, python, kraits, and other cobras. And for the second one, they are active hunter. Unlike many snakes, king cobras are active foragers. They move long distance, use their forked tongue to track scent and trails. And for the third one is visual and sensory awareness. King cobra has good eyesight. For a snake, it can detect movement from several meters away. And for the last one is venom use. The venom is neurotoxic, less potent per drop than some vipers, but injected in very large quantities. So for specific prey species, which is specific diet for king cobra, is the primary one. They usually eat other snakes such as kraits, pythons, and other cobras. And for the secondary prey, they usually eat lizards, rats, and mice, and more. And what king cobra does not eat are human, insect, bird, and higher mammal. There are 4 main points in king cobra's reproductive behavior. For the first one is courtship and mating. King cobras usually mate once a year, mostly between January to April. Males compete with each other in a ritual called combat dance, which they fight and wrestle but does not bite. For the second one is hatching and aftercare. The male follows the female for days to weeks. If the female accepts, mating can be last for several hours. The next one is survival. Young king cobras are independent immediately, and the parent does not stay with the young to avoid accidentally killing them. And for the last part is nest building. King cobra are the only snakes that build nests. The female piles up leaf and vegetation to form a mound.
Next, let's look at how the king cobra is relevant to human. The first one is medical importance, venom and antivenom. The king cobra produces one of the most powerful venoms among snakes. Its venom contains neurotoxin, cytotoxin, and cardiotoxin. Neurotoxin attack the nerve system, causing rapid paralysis, difficulty in breathing, and eventually respiratory failure. Although the venom is designed to immobilize prey quickly, it can be fatal to humans without immediate treatment, sometimes within just 30 minutes in several cases. Symptoms of envenomation include blurred vision, severe pinch, rapid paralysis, and breathing difficulty. However, effective treatment exists through the king cobra antivenom developed by the Thailand Red Cross. The antivenom works by neutralizing venom toxin before they bind to the nerve receptor, reducing life-threatening effect. Medical treatment include rapid transport to hospital, intravenous antivenom, and respiratory support if needed. Beyond treatment, king cobra venom is also valuable in medical research, contributing to painkiller development, anti-cancer study, blood pressure regulation, and understanding neuromuscular disease.
Now, we move to a cultural significance. Culturally, the king cobra holds strong symbolic meaning across Asia. It is often associated with power, wisdom, equality, and protection. In Hindu culture, the cobra is linked to the Lord Shiva and symbolizes eternity, rebirth, and divine protection. In South Asian folklore, including Malaysia and Indonesia, cobras are portrayed as guardians of forest, scarlet land, and ancient treasure. It is iconic hood spreading display give it a majesty and royal appearance, reinforcing its cultural importance.
The last one is human traits and conservation efforts. Despite its importance, king cobra populations are declining. Major threats include deforestation, habitat destruction, agriculture expansion, illegal wildfire trade, and human-snake conflict, where snakes are often killed due to fear. The king cobra is currently listed as vulnerable of IUCN Red List, with population decreasing across South Asia. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, anti-poaching laws, snake regulation program, public education, and ethical research. As a top predator, the king cobra plays a critical role in controlling prey population and maintaining ecosystem balance. To conclude, the king cobra is not just a dangerous snake, it plays a key role as a top predator, helping the ecosystem balance. Its venom is also extremely valuable, especially in medical research and anti-venom development. Culturally, it is respected in many Asian communities, but today habitat loss and human conflict threaten its survival. That's why conserving the king cobra is very important.